What's going on, everyone? So let's talk about giveaways. So pretty much this is my 1K subscriber giveaway, and all of these were purchased with my own money. And I also did order these, so I apologize for the delay. I did order these, and some of these were either on back order. And yeah, so pretty much let's go ahead and talk about giveaways. There's gonna be 3 winners, and I got them listed right here. So I'm just gonna pick the winners randomly at the end of the month. We're gonna say July 31st. I'm gonna go ahead and do the giveaway. And if you guys want to enter into the giveaway, just to get straight to the point, use hashtag GlossGang in the comment section. And then there, I'm gonna give people 2 weeks to go ahead and enter. I'm giving 2 whole weeks so people could go ahead and enter, because this giveaway is pretty big. And yeah, so let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So one of the winners, I'm not gonna say first place, second place, third place. One of the winners will receive Owner's Pride Eco Wash and Ceramic Plus to go ahead and try these out. These actually work phenomenal. I'm sure you guys will enjoy this. And this is pretty much like a $55, $60 value. And on top of that, Eco Wash is 1 ounce to 4 gallons, so very economical in this way. So if you use 2 gallons and you're used to the 256-to-1 dilution ratio, trust me, this will last you a very long time. Now for the Ceramic Plus, this will last you a very long time as well. Probably one of the greatest drying aids that I've used so far. And it's just a drying aid. And it says it's up to 3 months of protection if used as a drying aid. And all you really need is 1 spray on the towel and 1 spray on the panel, and that's it. And then once it gets saturated, you don't even need to spray any more Ceramic Plus. And yeah, so that's for winner number 1. Now, for the second winner, or whoever wins the second part, is going to be the DIY kit that I've personally think that I've been using a lot in my detailing business. So, and I really find essential. So pretty much it will be the Quick Beads from DIY, water spot remover, which is pretty much essential, especially if you already have the polish, waffle pads, stuff like that. This was cheap insurance to go ahead and unclog those pores of the paint. That way the protection bonds a lot better. Rinseless wash and ceramic gloss. So I like to use these for a lot. And yeah, so that will be for winner number 2. So you guys will get all of these right here. And trust me, you will not be disappointed with these. Spray on, rinse off product. Use this as a drying aid. And then water spot remover and rinseless wash, which you can use literally anywhere, inside or out. And last but not least, this is the biggest one. So if you guys get lucky, or the person that gets lucky to win this giveaway, it'll be a Griot's Garage G9 polisher. And this is my own personal polisher. So I gotta look for the 6-inch pad. I know I have it somewhere, or backing plate. So yeah, so I barely use this, as you can see. Like I've used it probably 6 times, if anything. And it's coming with the 25-foot cord, detachable cord, that it doesn't come with. The standard is 10-foot cord, so you can literally go around your whole vehicle. But that will be the gold standard polish. I'm gonna throw in a 5-inch pad. When I ordered the waffle pads, they didn't have the 5.5-inch in stock. I'm just gonna give you one it's already used and it's been opened, but I'm still gonna throw in the 6-inch waffle pad from DIY Detail in here, and their 5-inch wool pad as well. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's just the giveaway, and this is just all for you guys. And yeah, so thank you guys all for supporting. You guys been such a great help supporting the channel. You know, great comments. I love you guys. I love the interaction, even though there's some misconceptions here and there from some things. But yeah, so other than that, like I said, leave hashtag GlossGang in the comment section down below for you guys to enter. I will choose a winner July 31st, or the winners. And yeah, so it will be 2 weeks out. And yeah, so I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.